3-way hollow switch. Ayan. On muna natin dito. Ayan. Okay. Subukan natin. First mode, kulay yellow. Second mode, high, light. Yan po yung white. Third mode, spotlight. Yan po yung spotlight. Pang-apat, ito po yung low at high beam. Yan po yung sa pang-apat. Yan. Pang-lima, ito naman yung yellow spotlight. Yan. Pang-anim, ito yung high spotlight. Pang-pito, ito po yung tatlo. Spotlight, low, high.